Want to create the cutest, most personalized Christmas stockings this year? Looking for fun DIY Christmas stocking ideas that kids, families, and crafters can make together? Searching for creative Christmas stocking decorating ideas using glitter glue, fabric, ornaments, ribbons, or simple DIY supplies? Or maybe you want unique hanging stockings ideas to display them beautifully, even without a fireplace? Then stay tuned, because today we're diving into 15 creative, festive, and easy stocking decorating ideas that will bring handmade magic to your holiday decor. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for seasonal creativity and DIY inspiration. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas stocking decorating ideas, DIY stocking crafts, hanging stocking hacks, and creative ways to personalize your stockings for the perfect holiday display. What are some easy DIY Christmas stocking ideas for beginners? Start with plain felt or fabric stockings and add simple trims like ribbon, pom-poms, or holiday buttons. These DIY Christmas stocking ideas are perfect for kids, families, and first-time crafters. What are fun Christmas stocking decorating ideas using craft supplies? Use glitter glue, stickers, Christmas stencils, or mini ornaments. These Christmas stocking decorating ideas let you personalize stockings in minutes while keeping them festive and colorful. If you love creative Christmas DIYs, hit like and share this video with your holiday crafting friends. How can I decorate a stocking with glitter glue and make it look neat? Outline names, draw snowflakes, add stars, or create patterns using controlled strokes. Decorating stockings with glitter glue is quick and gives your stocking a sparkling holiday finish. What are cute DIY stocking decorating ideas for kids? Try foam shapes, felt cutouts, googly eyes, and sticker kits. These DIY stocking decorating ideas let little ones craft safely while adding personality to each stocking. What stocking theme will you try? Santa, snowman, reindeer, or a personalized name stocking? Tell me below. What handmade Christmas stocking ideas look high-end? Use velvet stockings, embroidered initials, lace trim, and metallic threads. These handmade Christmas stocking ideas give your mantel a luxurious, boutique-style aesthetic. How can I make elf-on-the-shelf themed stockings? Add elf footprints, tiny hats, candy canes, or a mini belt. These elf-on-the-shelf stocking ideas are playful, whimsical, and perfect for families who love the tradition. For more Christmas DIY videos, check the holiday playlist linked in the description. What are creative ways to hang stockings without a fireplace? Use wreath hooks, wall shelves, stair railings, or a decorative ladder. These creative ways to hang stockings solve the no fireplace issue and still look festive. What are some Christmas stockings hanging ideas for small spaces? Try command hooks, bed frames, doorknobs, or even kitchen cabinets. These Christmas stockings hanging ideas work for apartments, dorms, or compact holiday setups. If you love DIY holiday decor, make sure to subscribe for weekly Christmas inspiration. How do I hang stockings on the wall in a decorative way? Use a wooden board, peg rack, or stocking hangers arranged symmetrically. These hanging stockings on wall ideas double as decor and keep everything neat and stylish. What are fun Christmas stocking display ideas for families? Label stockings with initials, create a stocking gallery wall, or hang them along a garland. These hanging stockings ideas add charm while showcasing unique designs. For more Christmas mantel, tree, and wall decor tutorials, check the similar videos in the description. What DIY ideas can I use to personalize each stocking? Add embroidered names, vinyl decals, felt letters, or fabric patches. These DIY Christmas stocking ideas turn simple stockings into meaningful keepsakes. How do I make themed stockings like woodland or vintage Christmas? Use pine cones, burlap, lace, wooden buttons, or neutral tones. These Christmas stocking decorating ideas create cohesive themed displays that feel beautifully curated. What stockings work best for kids and toddlers? Choose soft felt or plush stockings and decorate with simple shapes, animals, or cartoon themes. These DIY stocking decorating ideas ensure safety while keeping designs adorable. How can I create elegant and minimal stockings? Use monochromatic colors, embroidered initials, and simple metallic ribbon. These elegant handmade Christmas stocking ideas look clean, modern, and timeless. How do I hang stockings when I have a large family? Use a long garland, a ladder rack, or stagger hooks along the wall. These creative ways to hang stockings keep everything organized and festive, even with many stockings. And that wraps up our list of DIY Christmas stocking ideas for 2025. From glitter glue decor to handmade stockings, elf on the shelf themes, creative hanging solutions, and personalized touches, you now have everything you need to make your stockings the highlight of your holiday decor. Whether you're decorating with kids, crafting personalized gifts, or styling an Instagram-worthy mantel, these ideas make holiday decorating fun, meaningful, and beautifully festive. What stocking theme will you try? Santa, reindeer, glitter names, or elf on the shelf? Check the Christmas DIY playlist in the description for more festive ideas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Christmas DIY inspiration.